Good evening. Good evening.
Good evening to each and everyone present over here, all the participants, Mr. Ashish sir, and all the faculty staffs of the CSIT.
Good evening to each and everyone
I,
over here.
I gladly welcome all the participants for the online session of Instagram on the theme Recruitment Climate, IT and Technology Sector by expert Mr. Ashish Garke sir. I welcome you sir on the behalf of the CSIT and all the participants.
For the online session of Instagram on the theme Recruitment Climate, IT and Technology.
Mr. Ashish sir is the founder HR Shapers currently, and he has a very vast experience of over 20 years with various MNCs and top companies like Capgemini, Teleperformance, Zyco Infotech. And Shar has shared his valuable support and shaped not many students' career. I hope all will be benefited.
Over 20 years with various MNCs and top companies like Capgemini, Teleperformance, Zyco Infotech.
I hope all will be benefited by his expert talk, and without taking much of his time, I would like to hand over the mic to sir. Please, sir.
Okay, so welcome everyone. Thanks for this opportunity. Thanks, Professor Sanjay. Yeah, so I'm HR professional, 20-year experience of HR, worked in IT company, ITS company, telecom company. So company, MNC company like Capgemini, then Teleperformance, then Loop Mobile, Zycus Infotech, and then earlier that I had experience of consultancy. So looking forward to have a great interaction, lot of learning, knowledge sharing, and all. We will have a kind of Sanjay sir. We will have kind of more interactive, more of talk show, more of question answer rather than only one side. So I can take any kind of question. I hope I would be able to answer all of them. So let me just start with some input. One of the biggest beneficiary industries, IT and technology sector in this COVID season, because if many of you must have heard about the future of work or industry 4.0, which says all the automation and digitalization will happen. I mean, we were saying all these things will happen after 2 or 3 years. This we used to say in month of January or in month of December, 2019 or in 2019. But which became reality now, and most of the company actually, they have gone into future of work mode, which means they have taken a lot of digitalization and automation activity, or many of them are in process. Many of them may be planning to do it, which will stay at least for next 6 to 9 months. Now, be it IT or technology sector, any industry would look for automation and digitalization. We have seen, we have experienced. Everybody is saying, guys, okay, can you do something where there should not be any human touch? Okay, can we do something while sitting at home, while sitting anywhere, I can do any kind of transaction, any kind of interaction. Yeah, those things anyway taking place unless it's really required some kind of touch. Even in that there are a lot of things happening where okay, fine, only the automation I need, I don't need any kind of manual intervention and all. So be it automobile, be it healthcare, or be it manufacturing, every company will look for some kind of digitalization to go. If I'm providing any services to industry, if I'm providing services to customer, whether it's a B2B, B2C, I need to ensure that all kind of automation, digitalization is the place. And when I say this, most of the even non-IT industries will look for people with the IT background, people with the technology background, people with the technology mindset. Yeah, even though if you don't have degree, but if you're able to prove you can do something which is like simplify the process. Can I make something like recent example? Reliance is coming up with the competition with Zoom, right? Do you think it will be successful? We all know it is going to be successful, right? around the world, everywhere, especially in India, people are saying Zoom is not good. There are data privacy and all. So Reliance is not an IT company, but they are making an IT product because it's a need of the hours. Someone must have thought about it before 2 months. Can we do something like this? Who must have thought about it? Anybody who's working there, or any people who have been asked to do this. So what we need is kind of mindset. Okay, can we create something which can give competition to the industries? Can we create something which is more user friendly? Can we create something which is kind of very simplify the process, cost effective also? Yeah. There is a word of caution. All the digitalization, automation comes at the cost. But yeah, there are a lot of shortcut way also available, so people are adopting those way. I will pause here for a moment and then request Sanjay to take over and then ask some question. Happy to answer, Sanjay.
Sir, actually, sir, I will be just asking some of the questions which are being raised by the students. And the first question was from Mr. Akash Dubey, and he has asked that, sir, what are the challenges after appointing as a fresher? Means if some company is hiring me as a fresher, so what are the challenges what are being faced by the student over there?
Okay, what are the challenges faced by student in this season, we are saying, or normally?
Basically, sir, in this season, it's due to the COVID and all.
So first of all, the challenges, what are the challenges? So you should not be too much of demanding. That's very clear. Okay. First is, you are lucky you are going to get the job. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Second is you are lucky that you are going to get something as a job. Okay. Company, many of the IT company, if I say even Capgemini, you must have seen Capgemini not stop the campus process. Even for 2020,
Yes,
they are going ahead. Many of the company like Capgemini also going ahead with the campus, because campus recruitment is very cost effective proposition as compared to the lateral. So it's
Yes,
not
sir.
too much of cost impact. So they will go ahead, unless it's really hitting the financial and balance sheet. So one is you should be adaptable. Whichever technology, whichever field you are being asked to work upon, you need to and be ready with all the self-learning. You don't need to depend upon company equipment, company infrastructure, logistic and all, because most of the thing, if you see, it's there online. Yeah.
Yes, sir. Yes,
If
sir.
you just something in the YouTube, you get tons of material. You guys are computer engineer. There are ready-made codes available. The code available in the internet. And I have seen,
Yes, sir.
one of my friend who is not from IT, and he said, I want to prepare a project report for my son, which is kind of library management. So I said, you don't know anything. He said,
Okay.
don't worry, all the codes available. I will download and it will be ready. So being a non-IT, that guy knows this much. You being an IT guy, you knows how much data is available, where you don't need to do so much of the groundwork. And many of the data available actually. People know, students know how much coding data is available on the internet. So self-learning is very important. Okay. In the season of COVID, where online training and other things will take place, that will happen. But what if there are the company you are not able to provide? Yeah. And there are the company who says, okay guys, just do the job. How you do it, it's not concerned, but show me the result. Yeah.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Third point is relationship. In such scenario, how you build the relationship is more important, because you are working virtually, right? You don't know your boss most of the time. Is there on the screen or not? They're on the screen. They come whenever they want to come. So over and above, how much you are able to build up a relationship with your boss is very much important. Very much important.
Yes, sir.
Interpersonal skills, which doesn't include communication, but it's beyond communication. So communication is one of them. Leadership is another thing. Then curiosity. How much you want to know about anything. If somebody is giving you the work, it doesn't mean you say, okay, I will do it. There are 1,000 questions. You need to have it in a mind, because nobody give you anything with all 1 to 100 point. But when work doesn't happen, he says, I didn't tell you to do it like this, right? So
Yes,
there are
sir.
many assumptions made, either this side or that side. you need to ensure you clear all those assumptions and say, ki, okay, yes. So ask the question. Okay, nobody will say you, okay, you're wrong or right. You ask the
Yes, sir.
question,
Ask
what
the
your
question.
doubt,
Yes, sir.
before going ahead. So,
Yes,
so
sir.
right now I with this 3-4 point, adaptability is very much important, very much important. And then self-learning, creativity, innovation is always on the top of it. Believe me, I don't want to put it in any one of the factor. It's always on top of it. Unless you are creative, you can't do anything. Beside this, whatever you know, are you able to effectively demonstrate? Are you able to effectively project that you know this much? Yeah. So which is part
Yes,
of the
sir.
interpersonal. Okay. Am I able to show you what I know?
Yeah,
Okay.
definitely, sir. Definitely, sir.
Yeah. So if you don't know that you can't do that,
You can't
then
do
you
anything, yes, sir.
know it doesn't matter.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Next one.
Sir, one student has asked me that as a recruiter, what you see in a CSC or IT or other guys, other branch guys, means if you're going for a campus drive over for selecting students over there, and you are having a mixture of 4 or 5 branches from somebody from CSC, somebody from IT, and somebody might be from electrical or somebody might be from the ETC. So what basically you see over there? Means you go for the branch or you go for the knowledge. What is the criteria over there, sir?
So for any kind of selection or any kind of evaluation, basic remain the first thing, Okay. So
Yes, sir.
basic is always important. Everyone to know. So if you are from XYZ branch, you should know your basic. So if I say, I can give right now, if people are there from the, computer background, I used to ask one question, when I was in software product company before 10 years. So the question was, find out second largest array within the limit. So this kind of question was there. Found out the second largest array within the limit without sorting. Okay, so that was the question. So this is the basic of, any software engineer, he should know, she should know. Yeah. Now, if you are from mechanical engineer, what question can I ask? I don't know much detail of the mechanical, so I can't put any. But those who are from the mechanical engineer background, they know what the question related to the basic of mechanical engineer, electrical engineer, or telecommunication part, or if you are from HR, if you are from finance and XYZ, if I'm talking about the MBA also now. So their basic is very important. Besides that, how much energy you are showing to solve all this. So while showing the energy, are you showing that I'm going to learn a lot? I can learn even as well. So if you are able to show up even 50%, and if you are able to show up that 50% I can learn quickly, how fast you can quickly learn and adopt is very much important. So remember the basic. If you don't know the technical part, which is the subject part, you can easily clear the interview. Believe me, some company may hire you because you are smart, you are good in English, you are good in talking, you are
Yes, sir.
wearing a tie, right? Okay, you are able to present yourself very well. They will say good, 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 But when the work is given, which is more related with technical, which is more related with subject, you will be failed. So you should know your subject very well. Without subject, you can't go further actually. You can clear first round, but you can't clear second round.
Second round, yes, sir.
That's why if you remember all the tests is depend upon the aptitude.
Yes, sir.
So if I'm going for a MBA, I will say I will do MBA in XYZ. I'm going to do engineering, which is in computer mechanical. So first test is not related to the basic. It is always kind of whether you are clear in the fundamental way or not. So
Yes, sir.
perhaps fundamental may be checked first, so you may be confident, but end of the day, just remember the subject should be very clear.
Yes, sir. Sir, one very bright student has asked me another question, Eva Kabja. She is currently working in Accenture, sir. So what impact will the corona outbreak have on the job market and for also person who are on the bench?
Okay, so job market is not in good condition. If some data says, one is about the job market. What is the second question?
And the second one is for the person who are currently on the bench.
Okay, those who are on bench. Okay.
Yeah.
So job market is not in good condition because top 5 or top 10 company recruit almost or having almost 10 lakh software engineer data, 10 lakh software population. Top 5 or top 10 companies. I'm talking about the big one. Yeah.
Yes,
So
sir.
they may afford, they may afford people to some extent. They may afford perhaps, for 3 months or 6 months. Yeah, depend upon how they change their business, because most of the IT company, they are changing their business model as well. They are going for a, let's say, more related to business which is more related with healthcare and hospital. Some kind of automation, digitalization and all. Yeah. So in case they are able to do it, they will continue, they will survive in the market. Fresher will always be in the demand because they are good cost effective model versus lateral. Okay. Plus there are other advantage also, as I said, various new technologies coming where lateral is taking time to build upon those, and freshers is easily groomable and they can easily pick up those, unless somebody really want to work on Java or Python and XYZ. But many of them, most of the time, technology is getting changed in every 6 months or 9 months. So learning adaptability is very much important. So job market, job sector, job opportunity in this time, very less, very less, I would say.
Yes, sir.
Big size company, you may move from one to big size company, but middle size, mid size company and very small company, they are really struggling a lot, unless they are catering to essential services sector.
Yes,
And
sir.
we all know which are those, essential services sector. Second question related with the bench.
Yes, sir. Bench.
So bench, I tell you, Sanjay, bench, what will happen any point of time. So whether it's a COVID or non-COVID season, there is a certain limitation of the bench. Yeah.
Okay. Yes, sir.
The only difference I can see is, earlier company may be paying, okay, and they will tell you, okay guys, okay, you are there on the bench, look out for something. And in this season, we know nothing is there. Yeah, correct.
Yes, sir.
In this season, they will say, okay guys, you can be on the roll, okay, but I'm not going to give you the salary. So that may be only the difference, because of the government pressure, and the government pressure will also be, there till for the next 1 or 2 months, or maybe one more quarter. After that, company may start taking some action. What to do with the, extra bench and all. Because every IT company is keeping almost, the big one I'm talking about is around 2 to 5% of the population on the bench. And it's very difficult to afford in this season, especially when no business is coming and what to do. So one option only be there, and you are lucky. One is lucky if you are getting salary, even though if you are on bench, you are lucky that you are on bench. At least you are on bench and you are in a company. And if you are not getting salary, still though you are lucky, because at least there is a mental satisfaction that you are there in the organization and all. Okay. After that, obviously, I mean, it's just all depend upon the job search, job opportunity and all. There are many things happening. So we really don't know what will happen after 3 months. India can turn out to be very good after 3 months.
Yes, sir. Yeah. Sir, one more question has come to me. One of the students has asked me, like, after Corona, which language or topic is on the boom? Python, IoT, web, cloud computing, or mobile development?
Okay, so there are 4 options: Python, IoT, mobile,
Python.
and cloud computing, right?
Yes, sir.
So cloud will always rule. Okay. IoT is going to boom like anything. Python, I'm not sure about, because there are some shift is happening now. Mobile computing is also very hot, because see, for everything we need app, right? correct? Like Arogya Setu, right? Arogya
Yes.
Setu is came on the app. So that must have developed on mobile computing as well, right?
Yes, sir.
Correct. If I'm not sure, so I'm not from software field, but as far as I know, IoT, mobile computing, and the cloud computing is going to.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'm not sure about the Python,
Okay, sir.
but there are various new technologies coming. You know, tomorrow we may hear something else as well.
Okay. Sir, one more question has come to me from Prerna Verma, and she's asking me that looking into the current scenario, how should we prepare for the campus drive, and what is the current expectation of a company from a fresher?
Okay, so expectation, I think I covered in the first point.
Yeah,
You know, if
first
you
point.
remember, you know, adaptability, self-learning, and all those things should be there. I will refresh again. You know,
Okay.
so the first question is how the campus can be attracted, right?
Sir, the first part is that looking into the current scenario, how should we prepare for the campus drive?
Okay, so there are three ways. You must be knowing. One is, you know, institute is responsible, university is responsible, correct?
Yes,
They
sir.
must be doing a lot from their side. Okay, I know they must be struggling all as well. Okay, uh, they will keep trying. You know, as long as they can try with those company which is hiring. Okay, that's one. Secondly, each individual in the class, it is their own responsibility now look out for a campus. Okay, now how it can be done, I can give some tips. You know, uh, today's social media is only the option, right?
Yes, sir.
Today virtual connect is only the option. For like I'm in Mumbai, you are in Durg, and then a student maybe in different places, or you know, in one places. So how we are connecting? We are connecting through, you know, only the social media. We are connecting through, you know, LinkedIn, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, correct? Everybody is there.
Mhm.
Everybody is there on this platform to keep an eye on all this platform. And now why I'm saying, because you know, if I'm the HR guy of XYZ company and I'm the TA guy of XYZ company, I will post it on the social media. Some of the TA guys, they says, okay, they post it on the social media, and then you know, most of the time student community reach out to them, placement guy reach out to them, student placement coordinator, sometimes consultancy also reach out to them. And so that's how people get to know that this company is hiring. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Beside, I have seen, you know, student community, student placement guy, student herself or himself also posting a, uh, you know, kind of query. Okay, you know, we are looking for a job. We are affected. We are impacted due to COVID. Can somebody really help? And nothing wrong in this. Nothing wrong in this. Yeah. So I have seen many posts. Okay, start from good big institute. Forget the small one. The big institute, middle-sized institute, the small one also. Everybody is posting such kind of posts, and they are getting lot of leads also. See, even on the self, if institute is able to close one or two position, three positions, that's sufficient actually. It's better than, you know, rather than rely only on one source, which is the placement committee from the university or institute. So go on your own, guys. I mean, world is open. You know, everybody is looking for, and that's where you can also demonstrate your relationship skills. You know, your capabilities, leadership capabilities. You know, how much you are in touch with the market. How do you interact with the HR leader? How do you interact with the industry leader? So this is the way, you know, post on your own that okay, you're looking for a job. Post on your own that, you know, your institute is looking for a placement and we have so many students. That's one. Second is there are a lot of webinars happening. Yeah, a lot of webinars happening, like this one is happening. And all the webinar information there on the Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, all of them. I keep doing almost, you know, 2 to 3 in a week. Okay, many of them related with all the job opportunity skills required in COVID and season. And who are the panelists? Panelists are the TA leaders. Yeah. So be a part of such conversation and ensure you are connected with the TA leaders.
Yes, sir.
You know, you can simply connect and send a request. Keep sending a LinkedIn request to all the TA leader, you know, like those who are recruiting actually, you know, and be connect with them, send them a personal message, and then, you know, that is the second way to do that. So social media, use social media effectively in this season. Everybody is using it, from CEO till the junior guy. So
Yes,
don't
sir.
mind, you know, don't mind, do it. Yeah.
And sir, one more very good question has come to me. And the student has asked me, sir, every time I perform very well in the, I think that I perform very well in the interview, but I do not get selected. So what might be the reason for it?
Okay, so I really don't know what happened actually in the interview. It doesn't mean that I don't
It is a
trust.
very, but he asked me a very
Yeah,
interesting question.
yeah. So it doesn't mean that, you know, you didn't do well. You must have done well. It's only, you know, someone must have got better candidate than you, which also doesn't mean that you're not best or better. Uh, uh, if I don't select anyone, you know, there can be 2 3 reasons. One is, you know, I got the better candidate. You may be also equally good, but I got the best one out of that. You know.
Okay.
Uh,
Okay.
Besides that, see, we all know our weakness.
Yes,
When
sir.
we get out from the room, we know whether we will be selected or not.
Yes, sir.
We know that what the mistake we must have done it. You know.
Yes, sir.
So what you need to do is self-awareness. The question somebody is asked, have you given the proper answer? Proper answer. I'm saying proper answer, not the answer only, proper answer.
Yes,
Look
sir.
at the body language of the opposite guy who's taking interview, whether he's satisfied with your answer or not. You know.
Okay.
So we need to ensure that we know very well what we have given the answer and how many times, you know, also we have performed better during the interview. So it's a very tricky question, you know, it's one has to be in the situation to know the answer actually.
Okay, sir. And sir, one more question has come to me. In the current scenario, C and C++ is important or not?
So I tell you one thing, I mean, skill set is less important unless you are experienced.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Because most of the company putting you on the training. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
And if you know, and if job requires CC++, that's really good. But since you are in the same computer field and all, you know which are the top 5 skill set needed. Yeah, like we talk about
Yes.
the IoT, Python, and all, cloud computing, mobile computing. Go for it. I mean, those are the things ruling. What is C++ is, I'd say, you know, that can be the foundation. You can consider it. By default, you should
Okay.
know the C++.
Yes, sir. And sir, one more question has come to me. This is the last from my side, I think so. How to means what are the do's and don'ts from the HR point of view in the interview?
Okay, good question, but very tricky. So I can attempt to answer this. So okay, guys, be on the time. Yeah. Uh, Make sure you know what is being asked. If you don't know, clearly say that you don't know. Yeah. Be curious. I mean, nothing is complete in one sentence. Nothing is complete in one paragraph.
Okay.
If somebody is asking, you know, be curious, you ask another question. Again, I'm saying there is nothing wrong, because there is nothing wrong to clarify something, which also give the hint that, you know, okay, I think you are interested to know more.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. You need to also have some set of question from your side for the interviewer. Yeah, that okay, I know X, Y, Z, A, B, C, D, and so and so.
Okay.
You need to show the learning ability, as I said, you know, in the first point, you know, adaptability and learning, self-learning and all. Don't be too much of talkative. Okay, talk to the point, and your communication very precise, very precise. Okay, if you know, then you should be able to show that. You should be able to communicate. That's very much important. Yeah.
Yes.
Uh,
Yes, sir.
the language part, I would consider, you know, depend upon company to company. Okay, like if you go to big company, you know, so they will always look कि guys you should talk in Hindi, हिंदी में बोलो तो अच्छा है, you know, और कुछ कंपनी में हिंदी चलता है, सॉरी, तो पहले मैंने बोला इंग्लिश में बोलो तो अच्छा है, बट कुछ कंपनी में हिंदी चलता है, ऐसा है। तो डिपेंड अपॉन कहाँ पे आप जा रहे हो, किस टाइप का आप यू नो जॉब है, किस टाइप की कंपनीज है, आपको थोड़ा तो पता चल ही जाता है, यू नो, यहाँ पे किस टाइप का मिक्स लैंग्वेज रहता है कि नहीं रहता है, वो जरूरी है। कॉमन एटिकेट कैन बी, यू नो, शेक योर हैंड। अभी तो वर्चुअल, अभी अभी ओके, हाँ, तो अभी का बात करता हूँ मैं संजय, इज दिस वर्चुअल प्रेजेंस बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है। तो वर्चुअल ट्रेनिंग कितना जरूरी है कि आप अभी जैसे बैठे अपन बैठे बैठे आधे घंटे बात कर रहे हैं, राइट?
यस सर।
तो उतना ही एनर्जी अपना होना चाहिए जब अपन फर्स्ट टाइम बात कर रहे हैं और लास्ट टाइम बात कर रहे हैं।
यस
यू नो, अभी सामने ही बैठे तो एक दूसरे को देख रहे हैं, यू नो, थोड़ी देर बाद अपना ध्यान हट जाएगा, यू नो। तो वर्चुअल एटिकेट इज वेरी मच इंपॉर्टेंट। वर्चुअल एटिकेट में क्या इंपॉर्टेंट है कि, यू नो, आपके पास अच्छा वाईफाई है क्या, आपका अच्छा इंटरनेट कनेक्शन है क्या, बैकग्राउंड में आप अच्छे दिख रहे हो कि नहीं दिख रहे हो, यू नो, वॉल होना चाहिए, ऐसा नहीं कि पीछे कुछ चल रहा है, भग रहा है, दौड़ रहा है, यू नो, ऑल दोस थिंग्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। जितना टाइम लिमिट है, प्लीज इंश्योर कि टाइम लिमिट में आप एक आंसर दो जितना वो लोग मांग रहे हैं, क्योंकि कोई भी इंटरव्यू के पास एटलीस्ट, यू नो, मिनिमम 5 क्वेश्चन रहते हैं। अगर वो उसको कैंडिडेट और अच्छा लगा तो वो ज्यादा पूछेगा।
यस सर।
तो 5 क्वेश्चन का टाइम लिमिट में आंसर दे दो एंड दिखाइए कि, यू नो, व्हाट एल्स यू कैन डू इट। एक्स्ट्रा करिकुलर एक्टिविटीज आल्सो वेरी मच इंपॉर्टेंट।
Yes, sir. And sir, this was the last question from my side.
Another point I like to touch upon is, you know, how much you know about the company. कंपनी के बारे में कितना मालूम है, बहुत जरूरी है, बहुत जरूरी है। जॉब के बारे में कितना मालूम है, बहुत जरूरी है। कौन सा एडवांस मार्केट में क्या चल रहा है, जैसे आपने 4-5 टेक्नोलॉजी के बारे में बोला, तो और क्या क्या हो रहा है, यू नो। कुछ ऐसे आंसर देना चाहिए कि, यू नो, सामने वाला बोले कि वो क्या है, प्लीज एक्सप्लेन, यू नो। तो यू शुड बी एबल टू डेमोन्स्ट्रेट। आपको, यू नो, 4 गुना अपना नॉलेज ज्यादा उसको बताने का, प्रोवाइडेड कि, यू नो, वो आपको काउंटर अटैक नहीं करे।